Good morning. This is my third example related to velocity diagram. First, I will explain. I will dictate the problem. Example 3. The dimensions of the mechanism as shown in figure. The length AB equal to 0.045 meter, BD equal to 1.5 meter, BC and C equal to zero point 0.9 meter. The crank AB rotates, turns uniformly at a 180 rpm. Find the velocity of the slider D and E. Then first I taken as a one rough diagram. I explain here what the things they are given as. They are taken as a ABD, that is a slider crank mechanism. The length of the AB is, it is a 0.45 meter. Length of the BD equal to, they are given as a 1.5 meter. Then BC equal to, they are given as a zero point 0.9 meter. Then that is a slider, it oscillates, it moves up and down at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, then that is a C equal to 0.9 meter. It makes a 30 degree. This is also important. This makes a 30 degree with respect to vertical. Okay, it makes a 30 degree. Then they are given as a 180 rpm rotation of the crank, that is a AB. First, this is a rough diagram. First, I will draw the space diagram. For the space diagram, you have to take it as a some dimension, that is the scale you have to take it. I have taken as a 1 centimeter equal to zero point 0.1 meter. I will draw the space diagram. Then I will go to the velocity diagram. Before velocity diagram, I will go for the space diagram. You draw it. I will draw the things. It makes a 60 degree. I will draw the things. First you have to draw the things, that is it makes a AB makes a 60 degree with the inner, that is I'll draw properly this one 60 degree. Okay, and it is a 44.5 meter, that is a scale I have taken this one. You take it as this is a 4.5 meter, you make it as alignment 4.5. You mention it that this is a, this is a B, this is a 4.5 meter centimeter. You have taken as a scale. Then you have to take it as a 15, that is a 1.5. BD is given as 1.5, means that comes as a 15. You make it as a 15 centimeter and you draw the line to get the this point as a D point. Okay, from this once again the slider, it oscillates, that is a motion will take at a 45 degree. Okay, you have to take it as a, that is also 45 degree. You have to take it as this one and you have to mark with a 45 degree. It is approximately, it comes here. Then it 45 degree, that is a slider motion. It comes as a slider motion. This is a slider. Okay, that is a point D, that is a fixed, that is this one slider. Then one more thing, they given as a BC as a 0.5 meter, means that comes as a 9 centimeter. You mark on the BD with the 9 centimeter, that is it comes as a C. Okay, it is a 0.9 centimeter. Then once again they are given as a C also. C also what, how much, that is a 0.9, means that is also you have to take it as a 9 centimeter. Then you have to draw the arc. Then important thing is they said as with vertical direction it makes an angle of 30 degree. This is important. I will take it as a 30 degree. You take it as a 30 degree. This makes as a 30 degree with vertical. That's why I have taken this one 30 degree. This one vertical with 30 degree. You join it. This is a point. It comes as a E. This is a comes as a slider. Here also you make it as a slider. Then I will mention the points if you want. This is a BC, this point E, this is a D. It makes a 45 degree. This is also important. That is direction of the motion of the slider. This is the direction of the motion is slider is vertical, up and down. Then I will go to the velocity diagram. Before velocity diagram, they given as a crank rotation as a 180 rpm. They given as a crank rotation as a 180 rpm. You have to calculate it. You need a velocity of the B with respect to A. For that, velocity of a BA equal to omega into AB, 2 pi n divided by 60 into AB distance. That is a n is given as a 180 divided by 60. This comes as a point. AB is a, that is a distance from the space diagram, that is a 0.045. Then you have to will get it as a 8.5 meter per second. Once again, for this also velocity diagram also you have to take a scale that comes as a scale equal to 1 centimeter equal to 1 meter per second. Then using this one, velocity of a BA is, that is a, you know the magnitude also, direction also, that is a 8.5. That is a important. Then I will write it as velocity of, that is a velocity of B with respect to A. A is, because this is A is a fixed point. Okay, that is a fixed point. That is a scale comes as 8.5 centimeter. That is a meter comes as a 8.5 meter per second. This is you got from the calculation. Okay, then you have to draw it. How to draw it? You have to draw the perpendicular velocity. I am drawing. I will go to the velocity of B with respect to A. Okay, you have to make it as a some alignment here. Alignment with AB, that is a link, and you have to draw the perpendicular here. This is, you have to take it. You have to take this one. Okay, with respect to this, I will draw the thing. I will mark here. That is a fixed point is A, because A is a fixed point, and you have to draw the perpendicular, that is a length equal to 8.5 centimeter. I hope that this got it. Magnitude also, direction also. This is a B point. This is the direction is this way. Velocity of B with respect to A. A is a fixed point. Then I will go to the next point. Velocity of D with respect to B. Okay. Otherwise, here I will draw this one. Velocity of B D with respect to B. Okay. You know that is, you don't know magnitude also, you don't know direction also. You have to go for the line of action, that is a perpendicular. With respect to B is a perpendicular. Clear? With respect to B, it is a perpendicular. Okay, I will draw this one, but this is a only, you got it as a line of action. I will go for the line of action because B point is a known. Okay, B is already known. You have to draw the line of action. Okay, I will draw the line of action. It comes as, this is a line of action of, that is a link with respect to B, you can say that is a, okay, line of action. Then here also, that is a D, the velocity of D with respect to A. Okay, it is oscillating with the angle of 45 degree. That is important. That is a oscillating with respect to 45 degree. You have to take that only. You have to take it as a direction of the motion of the slider along the line. This is important. For the slider, you have to take it as along the line of the motion only. I have explained this also previous example. With respect to which point? With respect to A point. A is already known. You draw this one. This is also line of action only, because you don't know that is a magnitude and direction also. You draw it. This is a new point is, what do you say? This is a new point is D. Then you have to go for the vector diagram. That is, a vector diagram is important. If you considering this is a resultant, then remaining two should be along the same line. This is also same line. This is also same line. I will mention this one. Velocity of D with respect to A, we can write it. This is also velocity of B with respect to D, you can mention it. Then I will write it here also. By measurement, you will get it. You have to take a scale. Okay, then velocity of, I will go for this one. How much this one? This is approximately 9.5. Velocity of D with respect to A. How much this is? How much scale? Velocity of D with respect to A. How much? It comes as a 9.5 meter, 9.5 centimeter. Then it comes as a meter 9.5. You got from the velocity diagram. You got from the velocity diagram. Then what about the BD? This is also dB. dB is velocity of B. Velocity of B with respect to D for the link. How much this is? Approximately it comes as 2.8. 2.8. It comes as a meter per as a 2.8. It is also got from the velocity diagram. Means by measurement. Here also you can say this is a by measurement only. Then you have to find the point C. You have to find the location of the point C. Important. You can find the location of the point C with respect to by ratio. By ratio method you have to find it. Okay. How to find it? Location of the C. It is on the BD link. Look at this one. It is on the BD link. You have to go for the velocity. This one. That is the velocity of C with respect to D. I have taken as this one. Velocity of C. Position. I am position. This is for the position only. Okay, velocity of CD with respect to BD. I have taken as a BD distance, velocity of BD. Then this is CD distance divided by BD distance. Okay, then I'll write it. This is a velocity of BD is how much? That is the velocity of BD is 2.8. What is the CD distance? CD distance means you have to minus 1.5. That is a comes as a CD distance as 1.5 minus 0.9 divided by BD distance is 1.5. It comes as how much? You go for the calculation. It comes as 2.8 into 1.5 minus 0.9 divided by 1.5. It comes as a 1.12, that is a meter per second. By scale means it comes as a here only. With respect to what you have to measure it? With respect to point, you have to measure it. Velocity of, that is a BD, you got it. You have, with respect to what? B you have to measure. You have to from the D. You have to measure from this side. With respect to D point. Velocity of C with respect to D. D point means it comes as a approximately 1 point centimeter means it comes as a here. You can write it as this is a point C. I hope that you got it, this one. Point C. Then from this one, you have to look at the C link. Link, you have to find the C link. Alignment you make it and this is a perpendicular. I draw this is a perpendicular. You have to draw the perpendicular. You have to shift this one. How it is comes? With respect to what? C point. C is here. You have to draw this one. With respect to C, this is a perpendicular. You draw this one. Okay. Then once again, this is slider. You have to go for the slider. It is a vertical direction. The direction of the slider is exactly vertical direction. Okay. With respect to what point? With respect to fixed point A. Okay. That is with respect to fixed point. I draw this one. This is a new point as a E point. I hope that E point. Then you mark it. Then you have to measure the velocity. How much? Velocity of dA. dA is approximately, this is a, you got it from the graph, that is a velocity diagram. This comes as a 9.5 meter per second. What is the EA? Velocity of EA. That is, you have to measure it, this also. You measure it. It comes as a nearer to 1.8. It comes as a 1.8 meter per second. The things is that they ask, you have to find the velocity of D also and E also. You got it as a velocity of, this is a D because A is a fixed point, and velocity of E because A is a fixed point. Okay, you got these value. And one more thing, by ratio method also you can find the position of C. This is also method to find the position of the C. This is also method to find the position of the C. Okay, I stop here only. Thank you.